Meantime, the FDA issues an emergency authorization allowing blood plasma as a therapeutic treatment for coronavirus patients.
This is a powerful therapy that transfuses very, very strong antibodies from the blood of recovered patients to help treat patients battling a current infection.
Health experts say more research needs to be done about whether plasma treatments are effective. Last week, the president accused the FDA of being slow to embrace convalescent plasma in an effort to lessen his chances of re-election.